Comes the corner kick, looking for Naiwu. I think it comes off him last. Here it comes again, looking for Naiwu. It came off Haraguchi last, I think it was. Looking for the run. It's a good ball from him to Asano. Great ball into Udo. Can he finish? He just evades him there. Just too much on that. The ball through to Ado Naiwu. You can see he was onside there. Great ball out to him. And a perfect ball from Asano. I think Onai was just expecting that to be a little bit closer to him than it actually was. Great cross, though. That was a chance. Onai, of course, looking for his... looking for the run, and it needed to be cut out there. Onai wins it back, though, for Japan, and Haraguchi, a quick shot there, which is actually exactly what Moriyasu has been saying. One of the curious things about not having any crowd is you can hear everything that's coming from the bench, all the instructions. And I've heard Moriyasu say a few times now, shoot as soon as you get the ball, just give it a go. That was an example of that from Haraguchi. Good ball with Asano running into the penalty area here, onto his right foot, the cross, and the ball just again evading Onai there, who snatched at it. A good dummy. Great ball from Ogawa. Finds Asano running into space, cutting back onto the inside. Haraguchi just letting that run to Onai. Favor in their match. Haraguchi here, streaming through, was defended well though, and then Onai with the follow-up. Another chance for him. I think all the chances on target have, or towards the goal, have fallen to him so far in this match for Japan. Yamane, Sakamoto. Good ball there, almost working. It's come off though for Sakamoto. This is Ogawa with the long ball and a wayward one. Not the best pass from him. Again, the run from Onaiwu is a good one, and it needed to be defended. Poor finishing, and it's a really important tackle came in though. And it's going to go over the line. It's not going to go over the line. 3 or 4 really important stops and blocks there from some of the Kyrgyz Republic players. The cross coming in here from Ogawa, it was looking for Onaiwu. It was defended pretty poorly. Haraguchi snatched at it. A second shot from Asano, and then another shot there from Sakamoto. Just stopped on the line there. Just a little bit more of that. Here is again, back to Yamane. Nice touch from Sakamoto. Yamane just running into a bit of trouble, and it's knocked out of play for another corner kick to Japan. Nice play between those two at the start of this match. They've linked up really well so far. Sakamoto. Morita. Good ball to Yamane in some space here. Cross comes in, looking for Naiwu. That's a great effort off the crossbar. Oh, it's off the post, I'm sorry. I think he's been signaled, I think it was an offside potentially. Ado Naiwu's getting closer. This time he hits the post with a good header. And the yellow card has been shown here, I think to Akhmetov for something. Oh, that was a handball. Do we have a penalty? It's a penalty to Japan. A blatant handball there by Akhmetov, who was in goal for the last match. Sorry, the second to last match. He probably thought he still was. So it's going to be a penalty here to Japan, and it's going to be Onaiwu to take it. This to be his first goal in Japanese colours. Big moment here in the match. And it's confident, and it's well taken right in the corner. That's a great penalty. And that is a debut goal for Naiwu and the first goal of the match for Japan. They lead by 1-0 here against Kyrgyz Republic. And that hands the ascendancy to Tajikistan in their match. Good penalty right in the corner. So a clear handball by Akhmatov hands the advantage to Japan in their quest to make it 8 out of 8 wins in the qualifying this second. Nicely done there, all the way through, and a good cross, and Onaiwu gets his second. Onaiwu gets his second goal for Japan, and the second goal for Japan in this match. Great cross came in there. I think it was Kawabe with the cross. And that man has been in the thick of every single really good opportunity that Japan have had in this game. Some really nice play here, really, really important play there from Kawabe. And the perfect cross from him. And Onaiwu was on the end of it. Kawabe had some good moments in these last couple of matches. And that's a fine finish. Great positioning once again from Onaiwu, just let it hit his body, basically. To Ogawa. Ball looking for Onaiwu. Brilliant goal. Fantastic header. Onaiwu with his hat-trick. Just over 30 minutes played, and he will be fantastically happy with that. Japan look like they have now 1 or 2 really important centre-forwards just developing in their ranks. He has been in absolutely every single move that Japan have had that has resulted in close to a goal or a goal. That's a great header and a really good cross from Ogawa. Pinpoint to him. He has found himself in exactly the right place at every passage of play that has been an important moment in this match for Japan. That's a great finish. 3 goals in the first half.